Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to create a QR code and short link for free using Canva. It's super easy and only takes about 1 minute. First, just open Canva like this, and after that, just go to apps, this one, and then next just search for the QR codes and links like this, and then just choose this apps like this. This app works together with Bitly, so you can create QR codes and certain links at the same times. And then next just tap on open, and then in here you must log in to your Bitly account. Just tap on connect. You can just log in with your Google account like this. After logging in, after you successfully log into your Bitly account, you just go back to your Canva like this, and then you will see the page like this. And then now just tap on create new, and then in here just paste your link that you want to shorten and turn into a QR code like this. And then in here just use the QR code and short link like this. And then next you can also customize the back half. For example, I want to make like this, and then after that just, and you can also give it a title like this, and after that just tap on generate. And just like that your QR code and then short link will be generated automatically like this. You can see it, and then in here you can adjust the color, customize the color, and then logo patterns, corners, and then frame. Just make it as you like, for example like this. And that when you satisfied with the QR code look, just tap on it to add to designs like this. And then for the short link, you can just copy the link and then just paste it to the designs like this. And okay, that's it. Next you can just edit it as you like. Just add it to your poster, to your presentations or social media content or any designs that you make. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.